This is MKW Pros 124, and here I have another Lego gumball machine. It's pretty big. Yeah, not the biggest that I've ever built. Yeah. So take 25 cents. Sorry, I got bad quality. Need to get a new camera. Put in the coin slot up there. And then you get a gumball out. You either get one or two gumballs out, because like they're just all in one spot. So I have 5 quarters right now. So I'll put in 1 quarter. I got 2 gumballs this time. Put in another quarter. Sometimes you don't get any because it gets clogged. Yep, just like that. It's gonna kind of hit. Got a yellow gumball out this time. And you can do it again. Dropped it. And I got 1 gumball out this time. Now, for 1 more gumball. And got another gumball. So the first time I got 2 because there's a lot of weight. Yeah. And just put these quarters to the side. And then to retrieve your coins, come to this side, and there's this 1x6 hole right here. No, it's not a 1x6, just 6 studs. Okay. I got 3 quarters, so I need 1 more. Okay, because I only bought with 4. Because 2 came out the first time. And then there's a lot of things that you have to do to reload. Like these red pieces up here. They're 1x12s with little holes in them. It doesn't have to do anything with the holes. Yeah. So I just gotta take 2 of them off. Stick them right in there. Take another one off. And just gotta put that one right here, just hook it on there. And 1 stud more. Well, actually, you can just hold them if you want, because you're not even touching it. So then you drop in your gumballs. Pull these out, and sometimes, well, yeah, the gumballs. See, 2 gumballs come out every time. So then you take this key right here. Put it right there, drop in the gumballs, and then you have to fix them, like this. A lot of crazy stuff going on here. Okay, so now they're all loaded and good to go. So yep, that was my gumball machine. So now I will remove the tops so you can see the mechanism. Yeah, this is kind of boring just watching me take off the tops. So you get to enjoy watching the birds! Yay! Let me get some Legos to adjust my camera. Oh gosh. My camera fell. I had to cover it with my hand. Okay. Let me set this up on the rug right now. Wait, that might work. Okay. There, you can watch the birds even though you probably can't see them. Okay. Okay. That was actually pretty boring, wasn't it? Okay. Now I got the camera in my hand and I will be showing you now the mechanism. So there are all 5 gumballs. Sorry. When you put the quarter Yeah, it got stuck. So, right? It knocked 2 of them out. Then the quarter fell in that little slot. They can fall down here too, wherever. Some just don't go down. Another quarter. Another gumball. 2 more gumballs in stock. Yep. And most of the quarters like to fall in this little slot. And then, yep, quarters. Just gonna take them flat. And some got stuck. Okay. So I got all the quarters. And yep, that was my Lego gumball machine. Please feel free to use this mechanism. If you do, give me credit, please. Yeah. So, that was it. Thanks for watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye.